Hey, welcome to 41 Garage. Today we're going to talk about chrome. Yes, chrome. And more chrome. Did I say chrome? Yes, that's right. We're talking about chrome. Time for this stuff to go. So behind me is a 2006 LJ that we bought last summer, and been a great Jeep, but I'm just ready to change it over, do something different with it. Definitely love this thing. I just think it needs some updates on its looks. To me, that's kind of an older look. To start off with, we're going to take these bolts out. All right, next let's see if we can get this clip off. Pretty simple one. Boom. Done. So I've already done the same to the other side. Piece of cake. No problems there. So next step in chrome removal, the side step. This one's a bit controversial because my wife needs it to get up there into the Jeep because of how it sits, but with those 37-inch tires. But hey, we'll get something on there for her. We'll get her set up. All right, so here we go. Look at that now. Doesn't it look happier already? Still got to take the back off. Okay, so now let's get this rear off. It's got these two on each side. Should be hopefully fairly simple. There it is. Little piece of chrome gone. Bye bye, baby. Kind of evaluating my front end here. Looks like it might need some paint. Clean this up. So I'll take this piece off. See what kind of paint I got around here. If I can get that done tonight. Otherwise, I'm going to have to go to the parts store tomorrow to get some black paint. Clean that up before I put the front bumper on. So let's go see how the back looks. I didn't really look at that when I took the bumper off. So it's kind of dark back here. I don't know how good you can see, but it also could use just a fresh coat of paint. So I'm gonna do that. Then we'll see about getting the new stuff on there. All right. So hang on. Here we go. Time for a drink. Next, let's tackle this lovely little gem. Not exactly sure what's all involved in taking that off there, but we'll give her a shot, see what we can come up with. So now that I got this part, I realize there's really only 4 points that really matter on it. So I'm just going to take this cover off, leave that there, and put it on. Piece of cake then. Okay, there you have it. All done with that part now. So there it is, the results of Operation Get the Chrome Away. And this is what she's starting to look like now. So first look at the new bumper. Alright, so this is the EAG bumper I got off Amazon. I think for my Jeep it's going to fit the bill. More to come on that, what we're going to do, but we have a trip planned, and I'll be talking about that in another video. Hopefully you'll stick around and watch that, and even go on the trip with us, because we're going to try to do some videoing of that trip. Spoiler alert, it's out west. So this looks like a pretty basic setup. I got the parts kind of all out on the bench here, and I'm going to start putting this bad boy together. Let's see what we can do here. So we got our hoop. I'm going to put the hoop on. Let's sit up here. Just some basic holes to line up to. Just check it out. Size that up. Looks good. Okay, hoop is on. Next, we're going to work on the Okay, so here we are. This is where we got to tonight. So tomorrow I'll get this last little bit taken care of and have this bad boy on there. So let's do it. Okay, so there it is. New bumpers, pretty easy task. Taking it out for a ride today. Looking pretty sharp without all that chrome on it. I like it a lot better. Here's the rear end of it, right there. And yeah, so tell me what you think. Put something in the comments below if you think it looks pretty good, if you like it, or if you would have left the chrome on there. Yeah, so I don't know what's next for it. Maybe a winch, things like that. So give me a like if you like this video. If you want to see more like this, hit subscribe. Hopefully do more things like this, and also some other adventures we have planned. So until the next time, we'll see ya. Boom! So yeah, I know I've already signed off once with you tonight, but I'm gonna do it again right here because it's just such a great view. I'm gonna share this sunset with you. So once again, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Tell me what you want to see on the next video, all right? See ya.